How to add PayPal account to Google Pay. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Play Store. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner. And here you want to click on payments and subscriptions. You will get to this page right here, from which you want to click on payment methods. And once you do that, you will get here where you will be able to add your PayPal account to Google Pay. So you will see this section that says add payment method to your Google account, and among the options you will see there's the add PayPal option. Once you click on that option, you will get to a page where you will be able to enter your PayPal account details to link it to your Google account. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can link and connect your PayPal account to your Google Pay. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.